Yo, nowadays, Metro, Bill Pro, VGR, Kemi, and others are starting to make a good clippers and trimmers. The last time I made an unboxing about Bill Pro hair trimmer, this trimmer right here. It's a really solid hair trimmer, but the blade, you cannot zero gap this blade, which is not really that good. But today, I'm gonna unbox this Bill Pro hair clipper with the model number BL350. This is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode, man. Alright. So, this is the box. BL350 is the model number. And as usual, Bill Pro always writes with Chinese language. If you want to send it abroad, for international use, it has to be written in English, whereby everybody can really understand what is written. As you can see, it's written in Chinese language, everything. So, yeah, it's what shall I say? This is a very good hair clipper, solid one. I really like this hair clipper. So now let's open it. And yeah, okay. The specs, it's written at 289 grams. (7,500 RPM with 2,500 milliamp battery. Got 5 clicks. So yeah, let's start. Okay, start this. The manual comes with a USB-C. And Bill Pro always include a big oil, which is good. I like that. It comes with a 6 guide combs. So I have to say it's a solid guide combs. Solid one. See? This is it. So take the clipper. Oh, comes with a blending brush. And this is the clipper. The blade comes with a taper blade. See? It's a very good blade to say. And this is the lever. The lever is also solid one with a 5 clicks. Okay. With the 5 clicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the range. So this is the range. Just take a look at the lever. Feels good on the hand. The power button. USB-C. See, and here you got a magnetic hook. See that? Okay. And here you got LCD display. Feels good on hand, really. This is the grooves that I like. Yeah. Feels good. So now to the sound check. It is very quiet. Paste it in here. So, in case if maybe you want to know, wall blade fits, TPOB blade fits, and Stylecraft blade fits on this hair clipper. So it is good, and that's it for the unboxing of this hair clipper. Peace, man.